Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I've been going to do videos on some of the bank stocks that I have. Been putting it off, so here we go. This is one of them. I made a video about Bank of America a while back. You can find that in my library. I'll try to link that in the description. But this one, I don't really hear too many people talking about it. It's Huntington Bank. Ticker is HBAN, and I've had these shares for a while and just kind of let them sit here, and they went down, and now they're back up again, so I'll show you when I bought them. But this is showing a 56% of analysts rate Huntington Bank as a hold. I would agree. I haven't really done much with this here lately. It's had a nice run up in the last year, so that would have been the opportunity to get into there. You could almost tripled your money, but and it's had a nice 3-month run up as well. A month, not too bad for a bank stock that don't move too much. Could have still made a little bit of money, and kind of up and down all over the place in the last week. So I'd almost consider that kind of trading kind of flat. But and here's what it kind of did today. So 1670. So you could trade it and make a little bit of money, a couple cents here and there, depending on the amount of shares. But I have 17 here at 14.24. So this one operates as a bank holding company. It provides commercial and consumer banking services, mortgage banking services, automobile financing, recreational, and on. Just a typical bank. So 1966, $16.5 billion market cap, and a not too bad of a dividend then for you dividend people that like dividends. So those are always nice. I think I bought these. I was just getting into banks, trying to follow Buffett. This is kind of when I started investing kind of hard and heavy, and I don't know, just kind of started getting into some banks, and got a couple shares of a couple, and I'll be doing some more bank videos and show you some other bank stocks that I have. But not the greatest ratings, 56% hold. I'm just going to continue holding this one, and might cash it out someday. I haven't quite decided, but and ratings coming up on April 22, pre-market. Here's kind of my history on it. Like I said, I've had these for quite a while. I started buying them back in 2018. I tried to get them around the $15 range. So we had some dips here and there, high 15s, and then just kind of set on them and got the dividends. And you can see the increase in the dividends. And it looks like this even paid dividends through after the pandemic, you can see here. So that would have been right in between those. And so this one continued paying the dividends. So that's kind of nice. And then I bought up some shares, probably just to lower my cost basis here. I don't even remember buying these, I guess. So 9.55, 53, 52 it went down. So and then I just got a dividend there. So they were paying 15 cents per share, and it's still 15 cents per share. So it looks like quarterly. So typical bank. But I did find some information here, not a whole lot about these. I just wanted to show you some of the bank stocks that I currently have. Mid-Atlantic Financial Management has 1.84 million stock holdings in Huntington Bank Shares Incorporated, HBAN. You can see this is data on the 4th. Increased its holdings in Huntington Bank Shares Incorporated by 6.3% in the fourth quarter, according to its most recent disclosure with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The institutional investor owned 145,855 shares of the bank stock after purchasing an additional 8,700 shares during the period. And I'm not going to read all this to you, so feel free to pause the video and you can read the rest there for yourself. Just kind of goes over some other holdings. Mackenzie Financial Group has $400,000 holdings in Huntington Bank Shares Incorporated, and this is just dated here today. And there's Mr. Buffett himself, so I haven't clicked on that to see. It probably takes you to an ad that takes you to nowhere. So this just goes over the holdings, and HBAN increased it by 74.8% during the fourth quarter, according to the company and its most recent 13F filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The firm owned 31,682 shares of the banks after selling 93,835 shares during the period. And feel free to pause the video and read the rest there for yourself, or you can go to modernreaders.com is where I found that. This is back to Reddit. Probably not too many people here talking about it since they're boring bank stocks, but I like to diversify, so a little bit of bank stocks, and they're coming up, so it's good to have some of these. Bank of America has really been doing good this year, so I have some Bank of America and Robinhood as well as my retirement, and so just kind of let them sit there and do their thing, but nothing really special about bank stocks, other than, like I said, I like to diversify, so that's kind of the point that I'm trying to make. Here, bullish person, strong buy signal. Bullish pattern, waiting for buy signal. Is that the same person? Yep. Talking about... But like I said, just always wanted to do some bank stock videos. They don't get a whole lot of hype, but just kind of showing you it's good to diversify. I'm totally diversified here on the channel between penny stocks, EVs, solar, green stocks, EVs, batteries, lithium. So I kind of cover it all here on the channel. So it's, like I said, it's good to diversify, and if you have any of Huntington Bank, go ahead and leave that in the comments, and if you want me to cover any other bank stocks, I'd be happy to do that as well. Like I said, I've already covered Bank of America. You can find that in the library. But that is it for Huntington Bank. If you haven't smashed that like button, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.